And last point, maybe Marta, you were actually already saying, we were talking about something that I call conversational selling. You were talking about getting engaged. And my point of view is always in the future, I don't know, still know in how many years, but direct booking will convert into a kind of conversation. I don't know if you already have this kind of experience and you have, it's like, what is your sentiment about it? About creating something that becomes a conversation that turns into a purchase. Something that is related to chatbots and direct bookings.
Well, at the moment we are far from being there, so I cannot share much, yes, because we don't have any possibility, or we don't have any system that supports that kind of dialogue right now. From a customer point of view, I really appreciate it, right? Like recently in April, I did participate in an event in Paris, and I was very eager to be very close to the departing line. So then, yeah, you can get crazy searching for a hotel. So then I did use the chatbot to suggest me hotel close to the starting line of the race, and my experience was great. So it really made my life so easy.
You loved it as a customer.
Yes, I got 3 options. I could buy through it. Perfect, really. So I think that it's something that
it's worth to work on.
It's worth to work. I mean, yes.
So I would say that time is over, and we covered many topics. And I enjoyed it very much. I think that there is one message that is clear. Digital marketing on its own is not enough. It's only when it connects with revenue strategy, data, and technology that it can truly create value and make, at the end of the day, profitability. So thank you all very much.
Thank you.